Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Well, the next couple days are going to be very, very hectic, quite a bit frantic as well, because I have to have this car completely put back together to take it to the Evanston Car Show on July 22nd, which is in 3 days. So nothing like waiting until the last minute. Now, I wish I could take this car there and paint, fully finished, full interior, everything detailed out, maybe next year. But for now, this car is going to be entered into the works in progress, or kind of the restoration in progress class. So I know it's got me really excited. It's got a lot of you guys excited. I know there's quite a few of you guys going out to that car show to see this and all the other cars that are going to be out there. And honestly, I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say and hear what your feedback is so far on the car. It's amazing how far this car has come in just a few short months here. I started working on this thing right around Valentine's Day. So yeah, 3 months, 4 months basically to have all the metal work finished in epoxy, ready for body work. And really right now it's ready to go straight into polyester primer and start blocking it out and getting it ready for paint. So yes, it's gonna have to come back apart a couple more times. But this time after we have it together, we're gonna fit up the pedals. We're gonna do basically mock up everything that it takes to get this motor into the car, just to make sure we have holes for everything. We can go back, we can fill anything that we don't need to use, like the body connectors and things like that. There's going to be quite a bit really on this firewall that we're not going to end up using. But yeah, we're going to do a lot of cleanup and man, get this thing put back together and get it ready for Evanston. So you're going to want to stick around. I do have quite a bit of brand new parts here in the boxes, which you guys have not seen. Some of them that I know are going to get you guys really, really excited. And I'm like the first person to spill the beans and ruin a good surprise. So I'm gonna stop talking. Let's go ahead, let's set the camera up. Let's get this thing put back together and yeah, let's get it back to ride height. I haven't had this thing on the ground in a while, so it'll be good to see everything in there, especially all in fresh epoxy. So let's get to work. All right, so we put in about a 15-hour day yesterday, but by midnight last night, I'm happy to say the car is on the trailer. I felt like we had a little bit of extra time, so it's like, hey, let's put the bumper on it, let's put the taillights in it, let's do this, let's do that. This thing turned out so good. So we got some seats in it, we got the pistol grip shifter in it, put some interior panels in it. You guys remember back, this car was originally green, so we had to scuff those up and spray those with some interior paint. But you know, for what it is, for what today's show is, this is going into the project class at the Evanston Car Show. And we'll see what everybody has to say about it, and can't wait to talk to some people and meet some of you guys out there. But we got about an hour and a half drive ahead of us, so the work isn't done yet. So let's get there, let's get unloaded, and let's get this car show underway.
Okay, we're going to save Best in Show for last. Best in Show was just chosen by the people. We had a lot of people that came in and talked about that, so we're going to go through a few of these here. What we decided to do is we wanted to do Best Work in Progress. You know, the work in progress cars take a lot of time. And people build these cars, and it takes them numbers of years to get these cars together. In order to show them to you guys, it's really incredible the work that these guys do. Sometimes it's hours and hours and hours of prep, and sometimes, you know, it's not easy. It's not easy to have these vehicles put together and have them ready for the show. And I like seeing works in progress, you know, for a couple of different reasons, because you get to see the hard work these people are putting into these. And then also for us car guys, it gives us an opportunity to maybe find out where they're going home to so we can try to buy them. You know what I'm saying? So that's always fun. So we're going to start with number 3. It's number 68, Patrick Mack with a 1930 Ford Model A. Thanks for camping at my house.
Hi.
He's actually camped in my front yard a couple of times. He's a super nice guy.
I have a dirt bag.
Number 2 is, we're going to do number 40, Jacob Cubbage with a 69 Plymouth Roadrunner. I've been watching him kind of build his on the internet too, and so that kind of leads up to the next one. The next one's really special. This guy is sponsored by MD QA1. He's done incredible work. You've seen us share some stuff on the Facebook page on it. He's building a Cuda. It's number 116, 71 Cuda by Dave Swearing.
Alrighty, you guys, so we took home 2 first place trophies today, one for People's Choice and the second one for Best Work in Progress. Huge shout out, huge thanks to my buddy Johnny.
Hi!
Tell us a little bit about the Evanston Car Show, how long you been doing it for?
Yeah, we've been doing it for 8 years, and we just raised money for downtown Evanston, and we just try to get some cars in here and get some people, and you know, just really get the economy rolling down here. So turns out really good, and we did really well this year. We usually work exactly with another event, but the other event was last weekend, so we were split apart, but we actually did really well. So we're really happy about it. We were happy about the turnout.
Awesome, awesome. Something else I noticed too, a lot of people driving a really long distance, really far away.
Yeah,
one guy said he drove like 900 miles in a convertible for the show.
Yeah, so we had guys coming from Idaho, Washington. We had guys all over Wyoming that were coming, Utah. So it turned out really great. We had a ton of great people that came, and I mean, that's just nuts driving. There was a Lincoln Zephyr. I don't know if you can zoom on. The Lincoln Zephyr came from so freaking far in Idaho. But yeah, it turned out really good, and I was really happy with that.
Awesome. 200-ish cars?
172, I think, is what we ended up with, total count. But we're usually right around that 200 mark.
Awesome, awesome. So awesome event, guys. Definitely next year, you'll do it once a year, right?
Yeah, once a year. Yep, right around the July 24th weekend.
Okay. Evanston Car Show. If you guys want to take second place next year, because this should be finished, feel free to come on out. So take care, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, Johnny. Thanks to my dad for helping out. Also, this last few days, it's been really, really crazy. So, but take care, guys. We'll see you again real soon.